Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink and the forum backlink. So the website name is hazlybris.com. So this is a website, a URL, and this is a dashboard. And the another thing guys, if you guys will create your backlink on this site, so this site your backlink should be going to index because this site is having a high indexable rate, and I already checked my some of the backlinks are indexed on this site, so you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so before the started we can research something about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 61, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 53, and the spam score is 0%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 41.4k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from Spain, India, Vietnam, Chile, Argentina, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic, so if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. So we have completed our research process, so now we can start. First thing, you can click on the forum button, and after that you can convert this website language into English, and after that you can click on the register button, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and there you can use your company username, and after that there you can choose your password, suggest password, and there you can use your email address, and you can verify the captcha. So in what year did we first set foot in the moon? So 1996 I guess. And after that you can click on the send button. You have provided incorrect answer, so let me use chat GPT. So 1969. So you can see our account is successfully created, and there is no need to verify your profile through your Gmail, so you can click on the back to main page. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co, and you can click on the profile icon, profile button, and you can see there is a edit profile button. You can click on this, and you can click on the edit signature button, and there you can add your company description. So first, what I can use, achieve your goal with top tier digital marketing training. So I can consider this for the as a bold, and after that there I can add my company description. So let me use, and your description should be under 125 characters, 250 characters, so you can keep in mind while adding your description. And after that there you can add your website URL, and you can click on the insert into masses, and after that you can click on the send button. So yeah, our signature limit is exceeding, so let me use only this one, and there we can insert our website URL only. You can click on the send button, and you can see our description is successfully submitted. Again, we can so you can click on the return to user control panel, and from there we can update our avatar. You can click on the choose file button, select your profile picture, and click on the send button. So pixel size is 500 pixel wide and the 500 tall. So right now we don't have this pixels profile picture. So let me ignore this, but you guys are up if you guys are uploading your profile picture, so you can customize your profile picture into this pixel size. And once you guys will complete your all the things, so you can click on the profile button, click on the profile, and this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is our username and the company description and the website URL, and you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So today we have created a very high quality Dofollow profile backlink on this site, and let me show you how you can create your forum backlink. Okay, so either you can search your topic, either you can click on the any another threads. So you can see there is a new theme button. You can click on this. From there you can submit your forum backlink. So there you can add your forum title, profile creation, site list in 2024. I'm just doing these things for the video creation, but the your case you can use a genuine method. Okay, so there you can add your thread title, DML training, and there you can add some of the short description. And if you're wanting, so you can insert a hyperlink your website URL from this option, and after that you can click on the send button. So you can see our thread is successfully submitted, and this is a thread landing page URL. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.